Hello, Namaste, beautiful souls. Welcome to Lighthouse Tarot 369 and welcome to daily guidance or daily wisdom. So, dear friends, as usual, there are two piles. This is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. You have to select any one pile towards which you are drawn more, and then we are going to go into your reading. So, take a deep breath and decide your pile. Meanwhile, I'll prepare for your reading. Alright, so welcome pile number 1. All those people who have selected this card, do less. Let us see what is the message for you at the back of this. And it says, assess your level of doing for others. Examine whether you overextend yourself to the point that you become unnecessarily exhausted. Why is that? Is your health worth it? Your goal? To confront your core reasons for risking your health unnecessarily. And then we have got this Three of Swords card along with that, right? So it is very clearly and very obvious, clearly seen that you are a person who has always helped others, who is always available for others, and then like when you need, people are not there for you. At the same time, it is also possible that you are right now going through some separation, some loss, or some painful heartbreak, right? And that is why your heart is very tender, very open, and is like something which is paining and aching like anything. And in this situation also, what you are doing is like you are always available for others, you are ready to help others, you are ready to do anything and everything for people around you. But are you really getting the same in return? This is what you need to ask, right? Because if that is not happening, then why are you actually exhausting yourself, and that too to a level where your health is at risk? Okay, so pile number 1, this is what you need to understand, and this is what you need to learn, that stop extending yourself to the level where it is really very risky for your health. And find out the reasons. No matter you like a person, you love a person, you respect a person, that is why you are doing everything for that person, but is that person really worth it? You need to ask that, right? Because if that person is not worth having your you can say love and attention, if that person is not responding, is not actually valuing you, then it is not advisable for you to be available for such person all the time, and then keep risking yourself and your health. So this is what the card is saying, right? What you need to do is actually now you need to separate to yourself from all this chaos and everything, and spend some time alone with self, and work on healing yourself, right? And stop entertaining people who are actually you can say using and abusing you, right? So this is all from me, pile number 1. I hope this reading will help you, and we will meet again tomorrow. Till that time, bye bye, and take good care of yourselves, and remember, what goes around comes around. Thank you so much. Alright, so welcome pile number 2. This is the reading for all those people who have selected this card, right? Forgive yourself. Let us see what is the message for you at the back of this card. It says, identify one area of your own life where you are angry at yourself, or where you have yet to forgive something you have done. Healing requires forgiving oneself as well as others. Your goal? To love yourself enough to heal. And then we have got this card of Chariot along with that, which is actually making things clear. The thing is that you are moving ahead, and you want to move ahead in your life, you want to bring balance in your life, and you want to succeed in your life. But then there is something that you are not able to forgive yourself for, something which has either happened recently or has happened in past. You have to find out what is that, and then you have to actually heal yourself. You have to forgive yourself, because once you forgive, healing starts. And once healing starts, then it so happens that you start moving ahead in your life. So it is already like you are, you can say, this is a major life lesson. Pile number 2, this is a major life lesson that you have to learn, because this is a major arcana card which is telling you that everything is possible. You can move ahead and you can move swiftly towards your goal with complete balance in your life. But before that, in case if you are not able to attain this, what you need to do is forgive yourself, right? And how can you do that? Like, your goal is to love yourself enough to heal. So you have to love yourself. How will you love yourself? You can spend some time with yourself, you can meditate, you can do something which you like the most, you can pamper yourself, you can forgive yourself, you can love yourself, you can groom yourself. There are many ways, right? Whatever is actually attracting you more, you can do that. So please yourself, heal yourself, love yourself, and this is how you will be moving ahead, right? So this is all from me, pile number 2. We will meet again tomorrow. Till that time, bye bye, and take good care of yourselves. And remember, please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. We will meet again, and remember, what goes around comes around. Thank you.